again to another episode of Smoothie Saturday. My name is Jennifer. If today is your first time of watching my video, you are highly and always welcome. Please don't forget to click on that red button below to get subscribed to my channel and also on the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So guys, in today's episode, we will be making melon smoothie with mango. As we all know, melon has so many health benefits. To mention but a few, melon is very rich in vitamin A, B, C, and E. Melon also helps the body to resist diseases caused by infections, bacteria, and viruses. Melon also helps in weight loss because it contains 90% of water. So guys, you see the reason why we have to include melon smoothie to our daily drinks? So guys, sit back, don't go away, let's get started. To make the melon smoothie, I will be using half glass of orange juice, which I have already squeezed out from the orange. I will also be adding 1 mango and pear, and of course 1 melon. And lastly, I will be adding 2 tablespoons of honey. I will start by peeling off the back of the pear, mango, and melon. And when I'm done peeling the back, I will cut them into small pieces. Put them into the blender, add the half glass of orange juice and 2 tablespoons of honey, and then blend it for 20 seconds. So at this point, the smoothie is ready. Can you see it? Can you see how yummy it looks? You really need to try this. You need to try it. So guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to leave a comment down in the comment section. I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you all.